It is hot in here. So this is absolutely crazy to me to even think that I'm in my closet and I'm actually vlogging. This has been a long time coming, but I'm here. I have a few videos that are already kind of posted, but that's, I'm working out some kinks, trying to get used to talking to the camera versus just giving videos and then putting music behind it. Now, have I seen vlogs like that? Absolutely, but I am a talker, so I just have to get past the nervousness, if I must say. I promise you, y'all, I have been saying that I'm gonna vlog for, I'm gonna say at least 2 years, because now Legend is now 2. Supposed to start that process, and I just wasn't able to, I feel like, to get to it. So now I'm here. And we're doing this, we're in process. It's so crazy because I've had all the glitz, all the glams too far as in the vlogging, from the mics, as you see, the DJI camera. I have a Sony ZV-E10 II. I have the lenses that go to it. I have the lighting, just whatever you can think. But here we are. Welcome, you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. So here we are. I would like to start off with kind of saying, though, I'm just a girl, y'all. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girly girl. All the things that, and it's crazy to kind of go back to think about, but as I watch daily vlogs, as I watch Sunday resets, these are things that I honestly do on a day-to-day basis. So it's not like, oh, I have to go find some decor or go find some this or, this type cleansing for my skin. Like, I do this stuff on a daily basis. So why not put it to the camera? And here we are. So I am a perfume girly, but hold on, check this out. I thought I was a real perfume girly. I'm mediocre to this, baby. So I love scents. I love perfumes. I have anywhere from the high end to the Bath and Body Works. Nothing is wrong with that, but you know what I'm meaning. So I do have a new baby. Actually, I have 3, but this is one. This is called the Violet and it's from Prisma collection. It's Dubai. It's made in Dubai. It smells oh so good. This is what the bottle looks like. I did have the notes for this one. Let me grab my phone real quickly. So I am a fruity girl. Very, very fruity girl. So the top notes to this one, it is going to be pear, mandarin, melon, gardenia. And then the base notes are coconut, milk, tonka bean, and driftwood. But this one smells really, really well. I did get it from the fragrance store that's in the mall, and it was around like $110 that I got it. So this one smells really, really, really great. I got this one. I got the Miu Miu. I got this one for one of my Mother's Day gifts. And the crazy thing is, so I actually it's really cute. So cute little bottle, all that cute little stuff. So when I first, I actually liked the other one that was kind of the, had a coconut note. So I end up getting this one, and it's a strawberry note. So this one is strawberry and vanilla, wild strawberry, gardenia, brown sugar, and I like it. But when I actually layered it with Sand and Fog, the strawberry spritz oil, definitely fell in love with it. So this bottle is this is the 3-ounce bottle, and this was 100, and I think it was like 110, somewhere like that. This one was a gift, but when I look it up, it was around, I think, 2 something for this bottle, and you can get this one from Sephora. And then this one is my new baby, my new baby. So this is the La Bamba. And y'all, the moment that I sprayed it. So I had to get this one in the 1 ounce because they didn't have anything else. So y'all done bought it all. So y'all probably already know what this smells like. So it is a butterfly shape. Let's see, sure if you can see. This is the butterfly shaped bottle. You just pull the top off here. Let me spread on this arm. Oh, it smells so good. And this the keynote to this one is dragon fruit, peony, and vanilla. But it absolutely smells really, really well. My collection, like I said, I thought I had like a little collection, but when I be looking at some of these other girls and vloggers, and baby, my collection is a baby. It's a baby. But this is gonna be our 3 new babies that's added to the collection. Yeah. But guys, I really would like if you guys would subscribe to my channel. Let me know maybe what kind of vlogs you would like to see. Any inspiration that you want me to do. Like I said, I'm just a girly girl, and just kind of getting my feet wet with being consistent, and not even just the consistency, but actually like talking. I literally would do this stuff all day. Like I will clean up and down, decor. I'm going to switch out books, switch out, you know what I'm saying, decor, walls, all that type stuff. But it's just literally putting it to the camera, moving the camera around, and then editing it. So it's a little dusty in here as well. So I'm going to do a little dusting. So I like the Swiffer dust kit. Let's see. I like the Swiffer dust kit. I think my the top part is in the bathroom. Yep. So we're gonna put these in here. Is it this way or that way? Oh, this thing is always kind of weird to kind of get in here. As soon as I pushed it back there, it came off. I hate this little thing sometimes. There we go. We're gonna work with that part. I gotta figure out now. This is part of my collection. Now, this is not all of it, but this is part of it. So I have to figure out a place to add them. There we go. That'll work temporary. Just doing the quick